The money.
Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. I'm super happy, super pleased to be able to bring you this EA. This EA is a scalping machine. That's all I know. Yep, there it is working. Let me put the graph on so you can really see what's going on. That does have losses, but it has more wins than losses. It's always in a trade. Goes from buy to sell, sell to buy. It's pretty crazy. So now this thing comes with a stop loss of 1,000 pips. Now, most people will change that. If you do and you go lower, you will lose. This is designed not to have a stop loss, basically. It regulates itself. It still has losses, but the arrows take care of it. I've tested it for years. It's not a problem. So please leave it at 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, a million. It's fine. It doesn't need a stop. It regulates itself. So these arrows do that. It's pretty awesome. It does have losses. It has a little drawdown, but it's small. It's small. The wins are big. And when it does win, it does multiples, one after another, after another, after another. So it's pretty cool. But you'll really like this bot. This bot's nice. Let me get rid of these grids. They're already bothering me. There we go. I just like it without the grid. This thing just kicks butt. That's all I know. So when I got other ones, this isn't the best one yet, but it is awesome. And it's so awesome I had to release it because I wanted to give you guys something that made constant money. I'm working on some other ones that are very similar, but I'm hoping better. They may not be any better. They may be this is the best we get. But if this is the best, I'm super happy. So it's not a problem. This one puts money in your pocket. And that's all that mattered. And that's all I wanted to do. So now if it does make, this is one thing weird about it. The tester, it makes money, correct? Yep, it's going up, it makes money. But one thing I can tell you, when it's on a live account or a demo account, it makes more money. Because the tester's a little bit fast. So what it does, it gets you in the trade late, or it puts you in, too far down the line. Normally these will be more at the bottom and more in, better spots, better locations. So that's kind of good to know that it makes more money than what it does here. And this is a 1 minute chart. It's making money on it. It does it on 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour day chart. Now I haven't tried monthly or anything like that. I don't have patience for that. But I'm sure if any of you do, that'd be awesome. Maybe when I get rich enough, I'll try that. But right now, this is all I'm doing. Just a 15-minute chart, maybe 1 hour chart, but I like the 15. But it works great on a 1 minute chart, works great on a 5 minute chart. So if you want to test it, put it on a 1 minute chart, put it down to a small thing and just see it run so you feel comfortable with it. Like it says, it goes right there. And also put it on your tester up here and run it. Right there. Click on that and this pops up. Put your indicator in there and test it, see how it does. This one does great. You will be super happy. Now let's take a look at the bot. This is the bot. It's the same setup we see as we always have. We have the total strength indicator, not needed. Trend lines, not needed because it's trading for us. Now the one thing did happen is this symbol and time, for the chart, I didn't send it out yet, so I know you guys don't have it. So if you try to load it, it says Gerber US dollar, whatever I had on my chart at the time. So when I send out this video, everybody's going to get this indicator too because I made a mistake. And if that's my only mistake, that's not bad. So I'm pretty happy. But look, this EA just makes money. It's pretty cool. It's not a lot of money because we're down in the 1 minute chart taking small trades. You put this on a 15-minute chart, you're making $300-400 a day. So it's pretty cool. I don't know about you, but I can live on that. So for me, if I turn this thing on and I make $500, I'm turning it off. I'll wait till the next day, turn it back on. That's how I look at it. I only need $500 a day, so you can let it run in London. It works great. You can let it run all the time if you like, but it's not necessary. You make as much money as you want. So this thing just keeps going up. It's amazing. All it's doing is on this arrow, it buys, and that arrow closes. And it's like you guys have played ping pong, right? Ping, pong, or that old video game called Pong. The little stick went back and forth. It's basically all this is from arrow to arrow. Now, for some reason, it gets overrun Like let's say it moves up into here, the arrow will eventually go green again, and it will close the trade anyway. So it always closes. These arrows never that far away. That's why it regulates itself. You don't need to worry. Never has too big a loss. And it has multiple trades, multiple. When it is trending, it just takes trade after trade after trade. So it's pretty cool. But you can test it and run in a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. But once you see it makes money, you're going to put it on a 15-minute chart. I run mine at 20%, but run it at yours at 5%, bump it to 10, and then later bump it to 20. So you get a feel for how it does. This way you feel comfortable with it, because you got to be able to sleep at night while this thing's working. So, and that might be a hard thing to do in the beginning, but once you wake up in the morning, I think you'll be okay. So anyway, I'm super happy with this. So I'm going to be sending this out. I already sent this out, but I need to send out this indicator and this video so you understand that when you see the stop loss, you don't mess with it, you leave it. Or add to it, it don't matter, but don't make it any smaller, because then you might get hit, and that's the last thing you want. This thing regulates itself, so that's why it's got that. Now there's another one I'll probably send out later, and it works off lot size, but it does not have a stop loss, so you don't have to worry. Just when I put in the money management for the percentage, it said I have to have a stop, so that's why I put that in. So if I have to have it, there you go, 1,000, 2,000 pips, no problem, because we'll never hit it. So just so you understand. But this thing makes consistent money. I like it on a 15-minute chart. Gary was asking me, so that's why I was making sure he understands that 15 is best. But it does work good on 1 hour and 4 hour. Plus, right now I'm running it on 1 minute and 5 minutes. Just makes less money, that's all. But this thing is awesome. I can't wait for you guys to start making money with it. So Sharon, when you get this, plug it in. Let's start making some money. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much, everybody. And I hope JJ is listening to me. I never get to talk to him, but keep on, keep it on. He always tells me. So JJ, you keep on, keep it on, buddy. We'll keep on together. So anyway, this thing is going to make you some money too. So don't give up on me just with those cryptocurrencies. Let's try some foreign currencies. So anyway, JJ, try this bot out. I guarantee you're going to like it, buddy. So everybody have a great day. This thing's going to make us all some money. It's pretty awesome. Let me go back and check the bot one more time just so I can show it to you. This thing is always in a trade. So you can't say it doesn't take enough trades. Nobody will ever tell me that on this one. Maybe they'll be scared it takes too many trades. But when you see it's winning all the time, I mean, it does have small losses. Look, small loss, small loss, small loss. But watch, it goes right back to a winner. Boom, winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's all I know. Yeah, it's nice to be happy. I agree. So you guys will be super happy when you start putting this on your MT4 and running this. So I don't know what else to say, but enjoy it, and let's make some money. Other than that, make sure you put it on there. Do not change the stop loss. Leave it like that or make it bigger, but don't make it smaller. All right, you guys, have a great evening, and let's make some money with this. I hope you're as excited as I am, because this thing is awesome. Anything that makes consistent money, hands-free, and you don't have to worry, it's an A-OK thing in my book. So I think that's what you guys are all looking for anyway. I know I am. And if it works good, if it's not enough money, you can have multiple accounts. So, if you make $1,000 a month with it and it's not enough, you need 2 accounts, maybe 3, maybe 5, maybe 10 accounts, and you can help out all kinds of people you don't even know. Wouldn't that be awesome? So anyway, I'm excited. Hope you're listening, Steve, because